Understanding the Delta variant, a guide to English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to talk about a phrase you might have heard in the news, Delta variant. It's important in understanding recent global health discussions. Let's break it down together. The phrase, Delta variant, refers to a specific version or mutation of the COVID-19 virus. The word, Delta, is used as a label, borrowed from the Greek alphabet, similar to how storms are named. This helps scientists and the public to distinguish it from other variants of the virus. The variant part of the phrase indicates that this is a different form of the original COVID-19 virus. It has changes in its genetic makeup that may affect how it behaves, such as how easily it spreads. Understanding the Delta variant is crucial because it has been associated with more rapid transmission than earlier forms of the virus. This means it can spread more easily from person to person. Knowing about different variants helps governments and health organizations make informed decisions about public health measures, like social distancing and vaccination. To help you grasp the concept better, let's use Delta variant in a sentence. The increase in COVID-19 cases was mainly due to the spread of the Delta variant. Health experts are studying the Delta variant to understand its impact better. These sentences show how the phrase can be used in everyday conversation and news reporting. Thank you for watching. We hope this explanation has helped clarify what the Delta variant is and why it's important in our current global context. Remember, learning a language also involves understanding the phrases that shape our world. Stay curious and keep learning.